Shana.
Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, I'm bringing you a very special Meijer Mperks deal that's going on for the 23rd and the 24th. So the last 2 days of this particular sale. We have these daily December deals happening leading right up to Christmas, and I wanted to show them to you. So before we get going, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos, especially if you like to see Meijer on a regular basis. Make sure you watch this video and leave me a comment and do all those good things. Okay, so let's just jump right on in to what is happening. So I'm going to start off with today's deals, which is December 23rd. We have digital coupons that are going to give us extra savings. We have 50% off of this Fisher Price Laugh and Learn So Big Puppy or So Big Sis. So you can click on it to find out more deals. So you've also got the puppy, the sis puppy. So those two, they're normally priced $27.99. So that is absolutely amazing. We're getting them for $19.99. Plus we have today's in perk for 50% off, $10 for this deal. What a great deal, especially if you have a little one that this would work with. We have 30% off of your Baby Alive Princess dolls here. Ellie grows up. Looks like we have the doll accessory assortment. So $66.99 is the regular price. Of course, we have the 30% off, and there's the two options there for you. So a really great deal there if you are needing a gift like that. Buy one, get one 50% off on your Energizer batteries. These should go from like $5.59 to 20 something dollars. We have lots of options here. Now, just a reminder that if you buy like a $22 one and a $5 one, the $5 one is going to be 50% off. So to get the most bang for your buck, I would buy two of the exact same item, or same price, I should say, maybe not the same item, but if you're getting AAA and AA, get one of each, but the same price, and you're going to get one for full and one for 50% off. That's the best way to work it. We also have 50% off each on this Keurig. We had one of these earlier in the week too. Now this Keurig's $159.99. Three different style options there for you. So you're looking at $109.9. 50% off on Baby Gates. Okay, in the baby department. So these range from $74.99, $19.99. We have $42.99, $54.99. So lots of different options of price-wise, but you're going to get 50% off of one of these if you decide to grab it today. So really great deal there. 50% off each on the Queen sporting. It's in the sporting goods section. Sorry, it's the Queen Airbed, $99.99. So it'll be $50 roughly with that 50% off. Scrolling on down, we have some other options here. $2 off of the Viva. Okay, and it looks like we have the $10.49 Viva and the $6.89 Viva are your two choices. Okay, so there you go on that one. All right, so the Axe, 50% off. So these are regularly priced $12.99. So 50% off of that is going to be what, like $6.50, something like that, $6.50. I'm trying to quickly jump on Ibotta here to see if I can figure out if we still have that rebate for you that is available. So we had, what was the rebate for Ibotta? It was it 3 back or 2 back? Sorry. Give me 1 second here. I know I should have had this prepared, but I honestly did not even look at these before we got started. So I'm pulling it up right now. Okay, I do not see the rebate. Now, I have used the rebate. I used it at Kroger a couple weeks ago. So I don't know if it ever reloaded. So definitely double check. If you happen to have the rebate, let me know in the comments below. We also have the Downy 4 off 1. These are regularly priced $13.59, so you're getting $4 off of that. So you're looking at a little under $10 for one of these. We obviously have seen a much better deal on that, but those are today's deals. All right, let's move on to Christmas Eve. So this is going to be for just the 24th only. And these are for your last minute shoppers that are grabbing all their Halloween holiday gifts is what I meant to say. 30% off of one for the cookware and poultry item. So here are some options for you: $29.99, $79.99, so 30% off of that. If you need a knife, $17.99. So different options. All of these, one of these, if you put one in your cart, will be 30% off. Ooh, $100 item there, 30% off. So that's really nice. It's like $30 off. That's great. Okay, so there's your options. Of course, a whole cookware set there for $179.99. We also have $30 off each on your Mr. Coffee latte and coffee maker. It's normally priced $119.99. So that $30 off is going to take you to about 90 bucks. Okay. We have buy one, get one on little swim diapers. Who's swimming at this time? You should see my outside right now. It's completely covered with snow. So maybe you're going, if you're going away and you're, in a hotel that has a pool, maybe that's why you need little swimmers. So $11.99, buy one, get one free. Or maybe just get them for, the summer. Pre-stock up there. All right. 20% off on some video games. Okay. So excludes clearance. So it looks like we've got some PS. There we go. There is some Switch. That's what we have. So 20% off of these games. So those are your options there. You can obviously check your own. We have 20% off of the Calico Critter items. So you get one of these for 20% off. Of course, you can pick a pretty expensive item to make that 20% go a long way. Looks like my store is pretty much out of everything. Look, out of stock. All right. So 30% off. Check your store for their what it includes at your store. Obviously all stores are different. We also have buy one, get one free on the axe. So we're getting a 50% off on the axe. And then and the next day is buy one, get one free. So they're wanting to get these gift sets out of the store, it sounds like. Of course, it looks like my store is out of stock of both of these. So that is just too bad. $4 off on these Downy or Dreft in-wash scent booster beads. So these are regularly priced $16.79. Of course, we got that $4 coupon there. It's going to take it down to $12.79. There you go. Okay. $1 off of the Cottonelle flushable wipes. You could do the multi-packs there. Let's try to see if there's a single pack is $3.19. So $2.19 is what that would cost. So there's your options. And last but not least, we have the Gain Wash Spray Starter Kit for $1.29 off of one. Regular price is $4.69. So $1.29 will come off of that. So that's going to leave you roughly I have to do math real quick. $3.40. There you go. Sorry. All right. So there's your options for Christmas Eve. Okay, so let me know in the comments if any of these deals excite you, if you're going to head to the store for any of these, or if you are done shopping. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. Merry Christmas to everybody. And of course, I don't know how the videos are going to work over the weekend. I'm just going to be honest with you. We have a lot of snow, so if we're stuck in the house, I may be coming up with some videos with some deals if I have time to look for them. If I am going out with family, I'm probably not going to post any videos until Monday. So have a wonderful weekend. Have a wonderful Christmas. Enjoy your holidays with your family and friends. And I will see you all later. Bye, guys.